Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. If you are learning English and you want to speak more naturally, understand daily conversations, and feel more confident, then you are in the right place.
Yes, welcome. Today's episode is special because we are going to practice daily English conversations. These are conversations that people use every single day.
Exactly. We will talk about simple situations like greeting someone, talking about your morning, asking questions, and continuing a conversation naturally.
And remember, this is not just listening practice. This is also speaking practice. Sometimes we will pause and ask you to repeat after us.
So, if you can, try to speak out loud.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The goal is simple. Practice speaking English naturally.
Part 1. Simple daily greetings. Let's start with something very simple. Greetings. When you meet someone, you usually start with a greeting.
Here are some common greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Let's practice together. Repeat after Sara.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Conversation example. Hi, Sara.
Hi, Noah. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you? I'm doing well. Part 2. Talking about your morning. Many conversations begin by talking about your day. For example, how was your morning? What did you do today?
Conversation. Good morning, Noah.
Good morning, Sara. How was your morning?
My morning was good. I woke up early and drank coffee.
Nice. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs and toast.
Useful phrases. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I drank coffee. I went for a walk. I started work.
Speaking practice. Repeat after Sara. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I drank coffee.
Part 3. Asking simple questions. Good conversations include questions. Questions help you continue the conversation. Here are common questions. What did you do today? Where are you going? Are you busy today? Do you have plans today?
Conversation. Noah, what are you doing today?
Today, I'm working and studying.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy learning.
That's great.
Speaking practice. Repeat the question. What are you doing today?
I'm studying English.
Part 4. Talking about work or study. People often talk about their work or study.
Conversation. Sara, what are you studying these days?
I'm studying English and reading books.
That's great. How long do you study every day?
Usually 1 or 2 hours.
That's a good habit.
Useful sentences. I'm studying English. I'm reading a book. I'm practicing speaking. I'm learning new vocabulary.
Speaking practice. Repeat after us. I'm studying English. I'm practicing speaking.
Part 5. Talking about hobbies. Hobbies are a very common conversation topic.
Conversation. Sara, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to podcasts.
That's interesting. What about you?
I enjoy walking and watching movies.
Useful phrases. I enjoy reading. I like watching movies. I love listening to music. I like learning new things.
Speaking practice. Repeat after Sara. I enjoy reading. I like watching movies. Part 6. Talking about food. Food is another very common conversation topic.
Conversation. Noah, what did you eat today?
I had rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it was very good.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
Useful sentences. I had breakfast. I had lunch. I had dinner. I like cooking.
Speaking practice. Repeat.
I had breakfast.
I had lunch. Part 7. Talking about plans. Another natural conversation topic is future plans.
Conversation. Sarah, what are your plans today?
I plan to study, exercise, and study English.
That sounds productive.
Yes, I'm trying to stay consistent.
Useful phrases. I plan to study. I want to practice English. I will read a book. I will go for a walk.
Speaking practice. Repeat after us. I plan to study English. I will read a book. Part 8. Extending a conversation. To keep a conversation going, you can use simple responses. For example, that's interesting. That sounds great. Really? Tell me more.
Conversation. Noah, I started reading a new book yesterday.
Really? What book? It's a book about learning languages.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it's very helpful.
Speaking practice. Repeat. That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Part 9. Confidence practice. Now we will practice a long conversation. Listen first.
Conversation. Hi, Noah. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I started my day early today.
Really? What did you do?
I drank coffee and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it was a peaceful morning.
Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I like starting my day early.
That's a great habit. Part 10. Listener speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer the questions. Speak out loud. Question 1. How are you today? Question 2. What did you do this morning? Question 3. What do you like to do in your free time? Question 4. Why are you learning English? Part 11. Thinking in English. One important skill is thinking in English. Instead of translating in your mind, try to describe simple things around you. For example, I am sitting. I am listening to a podcast. I am learning English. This simple exercise helps your brain think directly in English.
Part 12. Shadowing exercise. Shadowing is a powerful technique. You listen and repeat immediately. Let's try it. I'm learning English every day. Repeat.
Practice makes progress. Repeat.
Small steps create big results.
Repeat. Part 13. Motivation for learners. Learning English takes time, but every day of practice makes you stronger. Many learners feel shy. They are afraid of mistakes. But remember something important. Mistakes mean you're learning. Every fluent speaker once made thousands of mistakes.
Part 14. Final conversation. Let's finish with one more natural conversation. Sarah, why do you enjoy learning languages?
Because languages connect people.
That's true.
When you speak another language, you understand different cultures.
And you can make friends from around the world.
Exactly.
Learning a language opens new opportunities.
Final speaking practice. Repeat after us. I am learning English. I practice every day. I am becoming more confident. Closing.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us today.
Remember, learning English is not about perfection. It's about consistent practice.
Speak a little every day.
Listen every day.
And slowly, your confidence will grow.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English.